In this video, we'll take a look at the settings menu in your Cordic Driver app and what each setting does. You'll find it by tapping the three-line menu in the top left corner, then Settings. First is Go Home mode. This lets you set a default time you need to be back at your home address. When it's on, you won't be sent any jobs that would make you late getting home. The default applies every time you sign on, and your active home time can be changed mid-shift from the bottom right menu. AutoBid places bids for you. With a radius set in miles, the app automatically bids on any biddable job within that distance. So you don't have to watch the screen to get your bid in. Night mode is a darker display that's easier on your eyes after dark. It can switch automatically or stay always on or always off if you prefer one look all the time. Font size controls how big the text appears across the whole app, from normal right up to extra, 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 extra large. Handy if your phone's mounted and you want to read job details at a glance. Clear stored password removes your saved password from the device, meaning you'll enter it fresh next time you sign in. The app asks you to confirm before anything is cleared. Under Sounds and Notifications are your alerts. Alert on queue change tells you when your position in the queue changes. Alert on new biddable job tells you the moment a biddable job appears, useful if you're bidding for work. Some options here may be grayed out. These are controlled by your operator, so what you see can differ from this video. Under Job Offers is Auto Accept. When this is on, any job offered to you is accepted automatically, so no tap needed. Just be aware that means you won't get the chance to reject an offer. The bottom tray is the panel that holds your job details and buttons while you're on a job. This setting controls whether it starts open or closed, and the tray can also be locked in place, though locking it disables the map while you're on a job. Finally, Navigation app settings sets, which SatNav opens when you navigate to a job. Always Ask lets you pick each time, or Google Maps can be set as your default for one-tap navigation. Within here, it will display any navigation apps that are installed on your phone also. You should now know what each setting does within the Cordic Driver app. If you are still having issues after watching this video, please contact your office for further support.